WinCN is typically installed on the computers that are connected to the machine and is used to convert the CAM files to the necessary code files that the machines handle. There are a few configurations that are unique to every machine that the project's engineer will work with the client to validate the setup. This postprocessor has all the information ranging from scribing to sensing and is typically a one-time setup. Once the setup is complete, the operator simply imports the CAM files via the network or USB keys and completes the process from there. The WinCN screen has a parts section showing individual pieces and a bar section showing the nested bars. In both sections, it is possible to have a visual display of the pieces or bars. This helps confirm to the operator which bars are to be processed. The operator will simply select the necessary items and then click Treatment. This now creates the files that are required by the machines.